Hi there, all my crafty friends. During my much needed break, I received a goodie box from decoupagenapkins.com. I'm going to share with you what I received. I'm so excited to open this. Look how well they package everything. There is no chance of leaking or breakage. This has quickly become my favorite company to order my supplies from. They literally have just about everything you'll need for your project. This is actually going to be a sneak peek at some of the things I'll be using for some spring projects. These are some wood cutout pieces. They are so nice, very thick and sturdy. They're made from MDF and are 1/4 inch thick. I love this giant Easter egg. A cross with some flowers and a shroud. Look at this cute barn with the windmill. You know these will be some fun upcoming projects. Tell me what you guys think about this. Round napkins. Wouldn't they be great for a reverse decoupage on a clear plate? The patterns are so beautiful. You know we're going to do one of those this spring. Tell me which pattern you like best in the comments. The one that gets the most votes will be the one I'll use. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. It's fun to see what cities and countries you are all watching from. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. These holiday napkins are cutout images. So cute. You'll see that there are some Christmas items throughout this box of goodies. Yep, I'm already getting my stock of things for this year. Check out these gorgeous rice papers. At decoupagenapkins.com, you can purchase napkins and rice papers one at a time. All the products and tools I use and recommend in my videos have been tested by me. I won't suggest something that I haven't used myself. Each product will be listed in my description box below and will have a blue link to make it easy for you to find. Any of the links I provide are safe for you to click on. Look at this paper that looks like lace. Have you ever seen anything like that? Such beautiful colors. I love these angels. I like the sepia color. And these are the nice large rice papers. Look at these beauties. Dragonflies, bunnies, a barn, and the cutest pig. decoupagenapkins.com carries over 6,500 products, including a huge selection of napkins and rice papers. I have a special mixed media project in mind for these die cuts. These are so fun. They have a great selection of die cuts at my favorite place. Polyvine Heavy Duty Wood Varnish. This is my favorite finishing varnish. It's waterproof, heat resistant, and UV resistant. Polyvine makes a lot of different formulas in glossy, satin, and matte finishes. Oh my gosh, this glitter is gorgeous. You can add it to either paint or varnish for some sparkles. How fun is that? Fine Line Crackle, one of my favorite crackle finishes. You'll see me use this a lot in my videos. These are two antique pastes. One is gold and one is brown. They are used to accent the cracks when you use the Fine Line Crackle varnish. And they come in 7 different colors. I ordered some gorgeous pent art paints for some of my spring projects. They have a full line of colors. You'll want to check them out. DecoupageNapkins.com also has two other lines of paint, Dixie Belle chalk paint and mud paint. All of them come in some truly beautiful colors. This is solvent-based clear gloss sealer varnish that is used for your final coat along with the fine line crackle. These are some metallic wax rubs for highlighting and adding a touch of iridescence to your projects. I got one called Soot for adding some grunge, then a beautiful green and one called Firebird that is literally the color of fire. At DecoupageNapkins.com, you can also find rub-on transfers, molds, modeling clay, stencils, stamps, scrapbook paper, and much more. They are wonderful to work with and send out their orders fast. They offer several automatic discounts when checking out on orders over $50, $75, and $125. Subscribe to their newsletter by entering your email address, and you'll receive 10% off your next order. This air dry clay is by Stamperia, and I'm super excited to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek. DecoupageNapkins.com has some amazing products. Make sure you check them out. I'll leave you some links in my description box below. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking my picture in the top right corner so you don't miss any future videos.